Commitment isn't just a decision. It's an intricate dance of emotions, compatibility, timing, and shared visions. Today, we'll explore this tapestry, weaving through psychological insights, emotional depths, and the practicalities that might sway a man's heart towards commitment. 1. Understanding his needs. Emotional security. At the core of every human heart lies the need for security. For men, this might mean having a partner who offers a sanctuary from the world's chaos. Emotional security comes from knowing your partner is there to support, not to judge or belittle. Respect. This transcends mere politeness. It's about recognizing and valuing his individuality, his choices, and his dreams. Respect means giving him the space to be himself while being part of us. Trust. Without trust, commitment is built on shaky ground. Trust involves believing in his integrity, his intentions, and his loyalty to the relationship. 2. Connection beyond physicality. Intellectual compatibility. A relationship thrives when both partners can engage in thought-provoking discussions, share ideas, and learn from each other. This mental connection keeps the spark alive, preventing the relationship from becoming just routine. Emotional intimacy. This is the heart of commitment. It's about baring your soul, sharing the unspoken dreams, fears, and the minutiae of daily life. When a man feels he can be vulnerable without fear of judgment, the desire to commit deepens. Shared laughter. Humor in a relationship is like the glue that holds everything together. Laughter creates memories, diffuses tension, and makes life together enjoyable. 3. Shared values and goals. Life vision. When both partners see a similar tapestry for their future, commitment feels like the natural next step. This includes views on marriage, children, career paths, or even lifestyle choices like where to live. Commitment to growth. A relationship isn't static. It should foster personal and collective evolution. When both partners are committed to growing together, the relationship has a strong foundation for long-term commitment. Moral and ethical alignment. Shared morals and ethics avoid many conflicts, providing a smooth path towards a committed life. 4. Practical considerations. Compatibility in lifestyle. From how you spend your weekends to how you manage your downtime, these small compatibilities add up to make daily life harmonious. Financial stability. Money talks in relationships, not as a central theme, but as an underlying factor. Having similar financial goals, or at least understanding and respecting each other's financial habits, can prevent many future disputes. Social integration. How well you mesh with each other's social circles can affect commitment. If he sees you fitting well into his life's broader picture, including friends and family, it's a positive sign. 5. The art of timing. Personal readiness. Commitment often depends on where he is in his own life journey. Has he achieved a personal milestone that makes him feel ready to settle down? Has he healed from past traumas? Relationship milestones. Surviving the first big fight, meeting each other's parents, or even something as simple as adopting a pet together. These milestones can signal readiness for deeper commitment. Life seasons. Sometimes, external factors like career stability, age, or even societal pressures can influence the timing of commitment. 6. The role of chemistry and attraction. Physical attraction. While not everything, the initial spark often plays a role in keeping the flame alive long enough for deeper bonds to form. Chemical compatibility. There's something to be said about pheromones and how we're biologically drawn to certain people, which can subconsciously affect our commitment decisions. Conclusion. Commitment is an art, not a science. It's about finding, fostering, and sometimes creating the conditions where love can choose to stay. It involves understanding not just what you want, but also what he needs in a partnership. Remember, while these elements can guide a man towards commitment, each relationship is unique, painted with the colors of personal experiences, emotions, and timing. Call to action. Reflect on these insights. How do they mirror or challenge your relationship dynamics? Are there areas where you could cultivate a deeper connection or better align with your partner's needs? Share your experiences, ask questions, or offer your own insights in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going, learning from each other about the beautiful complexity of human connections.